Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing just kind of like a last minute vlog. I feel like these videos have been so much easier for me to film because I don't know, I just sit down videos unless I'm like talking a lot, they're just like annoying to me. So I don't know, vlogs have just been a lot easier for me to do recently. But today I'm gonna go check my PO box. It's the first time I'm checking it since I got it. I only got it a few days ago, so I'm not really expecting there to be anything in there, but I just want to go check it just to like have something to do, you know. And then I kind of want to get a tattoo today. I asked my friend Maddie to come with me, but she hasn't responded to me, so I don't know if she's actually gonna come. I kind of want to get on the front of my arm because I've just decided that I'm gonna turn this arm into a sleeve, and I'll probably do more like scattered tattoos on this arm instead of like a full sleeve, you know what I'm saying. But this one's gonna be more like not as spaced out, and this one will probably be spaced out, if that makes any sense. But I just decided since I already have this, I could probably like work with this and turn it more into like a sleeve. So I really like how they have the faces with the butterflies covering the eyes. So I found this like stencil one, and it just looks like this, and I really like that one. So I'm gonna see if they can do it. I don't know how it's gonna look. I don't even know if I want the hand in it or not. I don't know. I'm gonna find some more sketches that I like, and then I'm gonna see. I don't want to just go in and just get this one and then like not like it later. I have a fat pimple on my forehead I want to pop. Having these long nails, I can't like pick at my face or like pop my pimples as much anymore, and they're really starting to get on my nerves because of it. I don't have my contacts in. I need to put those in. I just use some of these wipes. It's kind of what I do for like washing my face when I don't want to wash it, you know. But I kind of want that right here, and then I also kind of want to add some more details to this tattoo if he can. I don't know, I just feel like it should be shaded more or something. I don't know, it just kind of looks like plain to me. I'm gonna use this Aveeno Clear Complexion. I just got this the other day because I kind of needed like a lightweight moisturizer for like everyday wear, not like a super thick one like I use at nighttime. And this one also is supposed to fight acne at the same time, so I was like, that's good. And I love Aveeno products, so I'm not doing anything too crazy, just a little bit of makeup just to kind of put myself together, you know, so I don't look so. I'm gonna use the City bronzer in the shade 100, I think. I don't know, Maybelline City bronzer. I've been really liking this one recently because it's so much paler and like natural looking than any of my other bronzers. So I can like put a ton of this on and it still looks kind of natural. I'm just putting on some blush. I'm gonna be using this mascara today. I just finished the look and now I'm gonna get dressed. So hopefully this outfit looks good. But I cut some sweatpants. I'll show you what they're gonna look like. I cut these. These used to be like some pink sweatpants, but I never really wear the sweatpants, so I was like, well, maybe I'll get more use out of them if I cut them, because I wanted some like sweat shorts, those, you know, like the oversized ones, but I don't want to spend money, so I made my own. And then I think I want to wear this shirt. Never mind, I'm getting a tattoo, so no, why would I do that? Okay, I absolutely hate this outfit. Well, I don't hate it, but it's just not the cutest. I just have this shirt from Fashion Nova. The shorts I cut from Pink, and then just some Nike Air Force Ones. Yeah, I don't know. I wanted to wear something like streety wear type. So this is the best I could come up with. The white shirt did not look good with these shorts like at all. So this is just what I'm going with because it's the best that I got with like what I like, the style that I wanted to wear. So yeah, I don't know. This is what we're gonna have to go with. I'm gonna take some dry shampoo. I think I'm gonna wear my hair in a clip, but I'm gonna take some dry shampoo because I haven't washed my hair in days. I'm trying to not wash my hair as much because I know it's bad for your hair to wash it so much. Oh, we did not like this spray. But Maddie finally texted me back, so I'm gonna go over to her house. I'm super excited to get a tattoo. I haven't got one in such a long time. We can't leave her little brother at the house until her mom gets home, so we're gonna just kind of look at more ideas and hopefully find something that I like a little bit more, because like I like that one, but I'm still not sure about how it's gonna look because my arm is kind of short and skinny, so it's like I don't know if the hand, like the part will fit, if that makes sense. And even if it did fit, I want it blended into this somehow, some way, because I feel like just the line and like cut off, I don't want it to just be like cut off right here, you know. I don't know, but I really like the way that looks on people when they get that right there. So yeah, that's my plan. If my camera dies, I think I'm only gonna bring this battery, maybe another one, but if it dies, I'll just record on my phone. I'm definitely not gonna record on my camera in the tattoo shop just because it makes me like anxious to record in front of like people like that, so we're not gonna do that. But Maddie went to go pick up her little brother, and then I'm about to just check on the dogs really quick, and then I'm probably gonna go leave. Okay, I just got to the post office. I'm recording with my phone because I don't want to record on my camera in front of people. Oh my god, I forgot my mask. Okay. better. Oh, you can see in there. Okay, well there was nothing in there, so kind of figured. Okay, I'm with Maddie now. We went to the tattoo shop. Here, you have to block time. Okay. Okay, we went to the tattoo shop and he said it's gonna be about $400, but he's gonna draw it up and then we're gonna come back tomorrow at 5 and then I'll get my tattoo. Yeah. So right now we're gonna go get Boba and then we're gonna go to Trader Joe's. Cannot wait. I've never been to Trader Joe's, so I'm so excited. I just want to go just to look. Like we might not even buy anything. We probably won't buy anything, but you know, we're gonna go and have fun.
I'm excited.
Me too. I got a pina colada smoothie with yogurt boba.
Okay, I got the strawberry passion fruit, I think, slushy something ice with strawberry popping boba.
It's super flowy. Okay,
you got a smoothie, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
I thought I got yogurt balls, but these are yellow.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, that's definitely yogurt.
I like it.
Oh my god, yours is so good.
That's kind of cool. It's like milky almost.
Mine tastes such like real fruit.
Oh, give me a napkin.
Over there.
Chipotle. If you want to know something cool about me, I have a Chipotle obsession. I get Chipotle, well, I used to get Chipotle about 3 times a week.
Oh my god, I went through a period where I got a Chipotle burrito every single day.
My order is a white rice bowl with chicken, black beans.
Yeah. But I in there.
You don't put anything else? No. You're a child.
And that's what I get in my burrito too.
And then I put corn,
we could go get that.
Sour cream.
If you want to.
I kind of want chicken express a little bit.
You can do that too.
But I want to go to Trader Joe's because they might have good snacks in there.
Yeah. Oh, we could get like a healthy meal.
Let's do it because I'm working out now.
Oh.
I'm a workout queen.
Well, you have a little mini at-home gym, so it's easy.
That's true. My mom is a little workout buff, so. Well, she used to be. She doesn't work out as much anymore.
Bro?
Yeah.
Is it yours?
Nope, it's hers.
No.
It's coconut.
You put your mouth on.
So? Turn the straw around.
Okay.
Okay.
You gonna try it?
I got ginger.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Jill, can I have these?
No,
You
though.
can't have them. You can try one, yeah.
Get a bunch though.
I'm so scared. It's like a lot.
Yeah.
This is big.
You gotta put that one. Thank you, Savannah.
Put your shorts down.
I gotta cover my stomach. Oakley wants to try it.
Just straight ginger. I got straight ginger.
What does your smell like? You smell like lettuce or like
It smells like old man.
They're good.
I don't think it's gonna change the taste of when you shake it. Okay. You're dripping so much.
Is it gross?
Even she doesn't like it.
Gross. You nasty. Okay. 1.
No. Ready? 1.
Is it good?
Not good, but.
Oh my god, I need water.
Did you drink? You didn't even drink it all? You drank half of it.
That's so disgusting, Maddie.
Yours like burns.
It's not good.
Why does it do that?
I don't know. Gross.
Hi, world.
Get it.
I've never been on the internet before. Oh, yeah, I have.
Okay, now time
Hello.
to move away.
Okay, food haul.
Stop though.
We got ghost bats.
We got the.
Those are supposed to be like talkies.
Try it.
They taste like plain talkies.
Oh, they're good.
Ooh, really good.
We got 2
Yeah.
spicy ramens.
Yeah. Okay, we got the chocolate hummus.
Oh shit.
I don't know if what you're supposed to eat with it, but we got it.
We got salsa because we have chips. Of these.
And then we got wonton soup.
Wait.
And the disgusting health
Do we get copyright
Yeah.
for showing the brands? No? I don't know how this works.
No, you get copyright for playing music.
I mean, can you get something for showing brands?
No, they just get free like market. Like,
Okay, let's try the salsa. What are they?
it's like these. They're potato chips.
They're very plain.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They are really good.
I'm excited for this and the one from soup.